Today, we're going to show you how to make a peanut butter energy bite. First, pour 2/3 of a cup of creamy peanut butter into a bowl. Peanut butter is filled with protein, which is great in building muscles. Put a cup of old-fashioned oats into the bowl. Because of their fibers, oats are great in lowering cholesterol. Pour in a half cup of ground flax seeds. Flax seeds have fats that will strengthen your bones, allowing you to be a better and stronger athlete. Then, pour in 2 tablespoons of honey and a half cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. These contain sugars that will energize your body. Stir your ingredients until they're thoroughly mixed. Then, put the mixture into the refrigerator for 15 minutes. Finally, roll the mixture into balls. Enjoy!